everyone! As you may know from our previous videos, Suleiman and I are in Dallas with my family for a couple of weeks. In this video, we will be exploring some fun family-friendly spots in different cities across Texas.
Hi everyone, we are at Louisville Lake in Dallas. Today we are doing some family picnic. It's beautiful, sunny. The good thing is it's not crowded at all. This is a very spacious area. They got so many parks. They have water park as well. There's sports area as well. You can plan where you want to go. There's picnic area, so we are at picnic area. They got so many parking spaces. Although it's weekend, but it's not crowded at all. It's kind of very private place we are here. We bought our food here. Temperature is very good. It's just 23, 24.
Since Texas has such a stunning weather in October, we thought a family picnic would be a great idea. So we planned a picnic at Louisville Lake.
And Suleiman is playing and he thinks it's beach and he's playing with sand. Suleiman, what are you doing?
Suleiman, who loves beaches and fully understands the difference between the sea and a lake, had the best time playing in the sand by this gorgeous lake.
Mama, I found something.
What you found?
I found a Jesus.
So many pebbles.
No, I need to stop and go back.
Okay.
I need to back.
Suleiman was waiting to play with sand for a long time. Momo, what are you doing?
What I'm doing? I'm just chilling out. It's so good vibe here and just enjoying the views.
And here's my beautiful mama. So
What's up, guys? Wait.
This beautiful lake is located in the city of Louisville, Texas, and is the perfect spot for a relaxing family outing.
they have so many activities going on here. You can do fishing, you can do boating here. The water is very clean. You can do swimming here. You can feed ducks. This is our picnic spot. You will get so many table chairs here. No need to bring picnic blankets and just they are available here. Restroom is very closer here. We bought sandwiches, cupcakes, cheesy nachos, soft drinks, pasta salad.
Mama saying with you.
What I was saying.
So these are my mother's special sandwiches, which made from green chutney and chicken. Love it. So lots of activities going on like fishing, boating, but one thing is missing. I think the public boating. So they don't have public cruising like we do have in different parts of Europe or Lake District. So we don't have public cruising here. You can bring your private boats here, but no public boating option. Yeah, they're inside the water.
What do you come to do?
What's up, guys? Make this big.
I highly recommend experiencing the stunning sunset if you plan to visit here. The mesmerizing views of the lake during sunset are absolutely breathtaking. You simply can't miss the sunset at Lake Louisville.
Hello, Mama. What's up? How is it going? You see, we're enjoying so much.
So much.
We're happy.
Very happy.
Oh, really? She also wanna bomb our video? Yeah, happy family. Yeah. Missing bhai.
Walking along the sandy shore or playing in the sand while enjoying the sunset creates a truly wholesome and unforgettable experience.
It's getting better, yeah?
Next, we visit an authentic Mexican restaurant situated in Plano, Texas, and the food was incredible.
Hi everyone, we are at Halal Mexican restaurant and we are trying Mexican food. It's the first time for me. Solomon is here, Mama is here, and Usama is here. Is my brother Sama. He has experience of Mexican food. He has very much knowledge about everything. He know all the dishes, everything. But for me, this is my first time. I have no idea about it. I even don't know the names except tacos and burrito or something. We will see how it tastes. It's very big restaurant in Plano area of Dallas. They have very beautiful interior. So the name of the restaurant is Talking Tacos Dallas. They have very beautiful interior, beautiful lighting, everything. And Suleiman was thinking that is maybe it's Barcelona. Do you like this place?
Yes, I like America.
This is like a Barca.
When food will come, we will show you how the food is and what we have ordered and how it tastes like. This is Mexican drink, Jarritos. We like this. So this is Jarritos. It's like soft drink, Mexican soft drink. So this is strawberry flavor and they are having mango flavor. So what we are having here?
These are street style nachos.
And this?
These are birria tacos. Carne asada.
I thought this.
Which one is this?
I thought
It's a steak.
I had no idea that Mexican food is full of flavors. Look what I'm trying here.
Birria taco.
Birria taco. Okay. So birria is meat. So this is birria taco and it comes with this soup kind of thing. I love it. So now what are you eating?
I'm sick.
So this is the best halal Mexican food we could find. According to my brother, they have less variety, but I love it. So they also got different sauces, jalapeno sauce, cayenne sauce, habanero sauce. I hope I am pronouncing right. Anyway, so we just taste this jalapeno sauce and we love it. And we bought some nice snacks and we also got this jalapeno sauce. If you come here, must try these sauces. They have some gummies. I was watching in TV. It was looking very delicious. So we ordered it. They were adding some spices and gummies and some syrup and it looks so delicious. I hope it tastes good. And I'm really sorry for Prince. He missed this Mexican food.
We also explored a beautiful children play area in Rockwall, Texas, and it sets in a countryside-like environment and it's a huge space offering so many activities for kids. From zip lining to various swings and slides, it's a rare to find such a variety of outdoor play areas.
Hi, so we found this beautiful play area in countryside and it's Rockwall City. You can say it's countryside in Texas. We love it. They got so many things, even zip lining. They got rest area just nearby, swimming pool and everything. It's beautiful and it's all free. But they got so many things for kids. It's not like usual play area. Pasture? Okay.
Way past. Way past.
The last, then you will try zip lining.
Yeah.
Suleiman had an amazing time here, got fully tired out and hopefully will sleep well tonight. If you are in or near Rockwall City, this spot is definitely worth visiting. That's all from us for now. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more family friendly content. See you next time.